Now let us start with level 2 questions. So question number 1 is, let capital X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If small n represent any member of X, okay, small n represent any member of X, then roster form of n belongs to X, but 2n does not belongs to X. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಲೈಕ್ 2 3 5 6 5 6 3 4 5 6 ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ 2n ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ n is equal to 1. n equal to 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 2n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 times of 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 is presenting, that means we should not take n ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ n equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, so 2 times of 2 ಅಂತ 4, that 4 is also present, so we should not take n equal to 2. next n equal to 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 times of 3 it is 6. 6 is presenting here, so we should not take 3. okay, ಆ ತರ n values ತಗೋಬೇಕು. okay, now n equal to 4, if we take 2 4s 8, okay, 2 4s 8, 8 is not there, so we can take n equal to 4. similarly n equal to 5 we can take, n equal to 6 also we can take. that means our answer is 4 comma 5 comma 6. these are the n values 4 5 6, and it's 2 times of n is not there, so these type of numbers we should not take. okay, so we have to take. next, two finite sets have, this is important question guys, two finite sets have m and n elements, and total number of subsets of first set, actually total number of subsets formula is 2 power n of a if n is a set. okay, 2 power n of a. two finite sets have m and n elements, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ m, another set ಅಲ್ಲಿ n elements are there. if total number of subsets of first set, so if m elements idre total number of subsets of first set ಏನು 2 power m, right, is 56 more than that of total number of subsets of second, is 56 more than that of total number of subsets of second set. the values of m and n respectively are. okay, a question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ total number of subsets of first set, that is 2 power m, is 56 more than that of total number of subsets of second set, that is 2 power n. so by using this equation we need to find m and n. so it's very simple. so 2 power m, ಈ 2 power n ಎಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2 power n is equal to 56. okay, now here what should be m and n in order to get 56? so ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 2 power 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 64 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 2 cube ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, 2 power 6 64 minus 8 which gives 56. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ m and n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. 7 6 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 6 3 5 1 8 7, ಬಟ್ 6 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ 56 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ A such that A union 1 comma 2 is equal to 1 2 3 5 9. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 5 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 2 3 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 3 5 9. ಓಕೆ, 1 2 ಇದೆ, 3 5 9 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 5 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ I will tell you how to simplify this, and after that I will tell you how shortcut for this, these type of questions. A into capital N is equal to A into X. A into capital N ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ, Ax, that is x belongs to n. x belongs to n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು 1 2 3 ತರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ A into 1, A into 2, A into 3, so on. ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ a n ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, a times of x, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1 2 3 like this, so on. now they are asking 3n intersection and 7n. 3n means what? 3n means multiples of 3, nothing but 3 into 1 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and then 12 15 18 21, and then 24, so on we'll get. okay, so similarly 7n means what? Multiples of 7, those are 7 14 21 28 35 42, so on. okay, so on like this we'll get. now they are asking 3n intersection 7n, 3n intersection 7n. so when we do intersection we have to take only common elements, right, common elements. if you observe 3 6 9 12 15, those are not there, so intersection we are having is 21, right. okay, first number is 21, and then 24, so on we won't get, but again we will get 42 when 3 times of 14 is 42. 42 here also it is there, so 42, so on. So that means 3n intersection 7n is, we can write it as 21 into n. 21 ones, 21 twos, so on like that. Okay. Now I will tell you shortcut formula for this. That is like whenever they given like this an, which is multiples of a with respect to this natural numbers. ಅವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವೈ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ವೈ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ವೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಂಟು 7 21. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇದು 4n ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 5n ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 4 5s are 20n is ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3n ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 7n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 3 7s 21 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, question number 5. See here, if capital A is equal to 8 power n minus 7n minus 1 such that n belongs to n. Okay, natural numbers idaga what about set A and capital B 49 times of n minus 1, so on n belongs to n. First now A find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then B find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is capital A means, see all of you, capital A ಅಂದ್ರೆ n place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ n is equal to 1, okay, n equal to 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 power 1 8 minus 7 minus 1 which is 0, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ is 0 when n is equal to 1. Now if you substitute n is equal to 2, so 8 square 64 minus 7 twos 14 minus 1 which is 49 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it will be 49. Next, if n is equal to 3, okay, 8 cube is, it is 64 8 is 512, okay, 512 minus 7 3 is 21 minus 1 which is 490. So 490, so on the numbers will get when we substitute n is equal to 1 2 3 so on. ಇದು capital A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 9 49 490 ಈ ತರ. Now what is capital B? Okay, capital B is what? 49 times of n minus 1, where n belongs to natural number. Natural number means n value substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If n is equal to 1, so what will be B? 49 into 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 into anything 0. Next, n equal to 2. If you take n equal to 2, 2 minus 1 1, 49 into 1 which is 49. So first one 0, next one 49. ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, as we got 0 49 0 49 so on, everyone will consider A equal to B, but that is not right answer. Why? Because you have to go for one more number, that is n equal to 3. If you take n equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, nothing but 49 into 2 is 98 we are getting, but 98 is not there in first set. Okay, one more important thing is, but if you substitute so on, n is equal to 11. If you substitute n equal to 11, what happens? 49 into 11 minus 1, that is 10. 49 into 10 is 490. So here we are getting 490 also. Now we observe the options. A subset to B or B subset are equal to A, like that. Okay, so here the answer is A subset to B. Correct or not? A subset to B is correct answer. Why? Because 0 is present here, right? 0 is present, 49 is present, and here 490 will be present. Similarly, next number somewhere here it will be present, but B subset to A is not possible. Why? Because 98 won't be there, 98 not there. Okay, similarly, so option A is correct answer. Okay, so whenever they given like n belongs to n belongs to whole numbers or integers, you have to substitute, you have to take some 2 to 3 values and then you have to check and the relation between those two sets. Next question, if capital A is equal to set of empty set comma set of empty set, then power set of A. Okay, so actually it is easy to identify, easy to answer this. Actually, how many elements are there in this? N of A is equal to how many elements we are having? N of A, this is 1. Okay, remember this is 1 and this is another one. That means we are having 2 elements. Then power set contains n of P of A contains how many elements? As like subsets, 2 power n of A. So we are having 2 square which is equal to 4. So that means which option we are having 4? 1 2 3 4. Option C we are having 4. So this is a one method to find number of elements in power set. Or else, as a set is empty set comma set of empty set, how to write power set means, Okay, first we have to take empty set as usual. For any set, empty set. Next, first set, set of first set. Next, second set, set of second set. Okay, next set itself is nothing but A. So this is also option C. Now I will tell you an example. If capital A is equal to 1 comma 2, then how to write a power set is P of A is equal to, first should be empty set. For any set is empty set. Next, first set, nothing but set of 1. Next, set of 2. Next, set of 1 comma 2. First 0 elements, next 1 elements, and then 2 elements. Combining you have to write. So according to this, option C is the correct answer. Like this you can do, or else to minimize. So if n of A contains 2 elements, number of elements in power set is 4. Wherever we have 4 elements, this one. If another set also given 4 elements but different types means, then you have to go through like this. Okay. Next, if sets A and B are defined as capital A is equal to order pair x comma y, okay, such that y equal to e power x, and capital B order pair x comma y such that y equal to x comma x belongs to R. So whenever they get order pairs like this, we have to draw the graph in order to identify the relation between them. Okay. So first I will draw the graphs, guys. You remember the graphs. So this will be very useful. Okay. So first y equal to e power x. Okay. Y equal to e power x graph will be like this. Okay. This is y equal to e power x. It will passes through point 0 comma 1. It will never come like 0 comma 0. It passes through like this. This is y equal to e power x. Okay. And then another graph is y equal to x. Y equal to x will come like this. It will passes through point 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 like this. This is y equal to x graph. If you observe, this graph is going upwards and this graph will go like this. Okay, like this and like this. So this is like this and this is like this. So there will be no intersection. Here also it will go like this, it will come like this. There will be no intersection between these two. So directly we can go for option C. Intersection between those two is empty set. Okay. And one more graph. As it is y equal to e power x. If they given y equal to e power minus x, then the graph will be like this, guys. Okay. And the graph will be like this. This is y equal to x. If they given y equal to minus x, then it will be like this. Opposite to this. Okay. Symmetrical to this. Perpendicular to this. Like this. This is y equal to minus x. This is y equal to minus x, this is y equal to x, this is y equal to e power x, and this is y equal to e power minus x. You remember those graphs, so whatever they will give, you can answer those. Okay. Next, we will move to question number 8. See carefully. If n of u is equal to 700, n of a 200, n of b 300, a intersection b also given 100. Then they are asking n of a dash intersection b dash. So we know that this is according to De Morgan's laws. N of a dash intersection b dash we can write as n of a union b whole dash, right? De Morgan's law, a union b whole dash. N of a union b whole dash formula, n of u minus n of a union b. Complement means what? Except that set from u. So u ಅಲ್ಲಿ a union b ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು complement. ಅದೇ n of a dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ u ಅಲ್ಲಿ a set ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. Okay. Now n of u given, what is n of u? 700 minus n of a union b. What is n of a union b formula? N of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b, right? Now this is 700 minus n of a, how much given? 200 plus 300 minus this is 100. So 700 minus 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 1 400, which is equal to 300. So option C. Okay. So by using this De Morgan's law, we can simplify this. Next question. N of u given 48, n of f 28, n of b 33, n of b minus a is equal to 12. Now we need to find n of a intersection b whole dash. Okay. So again this is n of a intersection b whole dash formula is n of u minus n of a intersection b. As like a union b whole dash means u minus a union b. A intersection b whole dash means u minus of a intersection b. N of u how much? N of u 48 given minus n of a intersection b. See here nowhere a intersection b given, but still we can find that a intersection b by using this formula. What is that? N of b minus a is equal to 12 given. See guys, if it is set a and if it is set b, okay, n of b minus a andre this part is n of b minus a, But how to get this shaded part? N of B minus N of A intersection B is equal to 12. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ N of B ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have to remove this part. So then we will get B minus. N of B given how much? 33. So this will be like this. 33 minus 12 is equal to N of A intersection B. 33 minus 12 is 21 equal to N of A intersection B. That you substitute here. Okay. So 48 minus A intersection B, this is 21. 48 minus 21 is 27. So understood. So it is option A. N of B minus A andre N of B ಅಲ್ಲಿ intersection part ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು like this. Or else N of A minus B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ N of A ಅಲ್ಲಿ A intersection B part ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Similarly based on that you can find N of A intersection B whole dash means U minus A intersection B. Next we will move to question number 10. N of A intersection B whole dash is 5. N of B intersection A dash is 6. N of A intersection B is 4. Then the value of N of A union B. See guys, I will tell you a shortcut for this. Let it be A and let it be B. This is A and this is B. See here I told that what about this part? This is called A minus B, right? Okay. Sorry, this is a B minus A. And this part is what? A minus B. Okay. That means this part is A minus B. This part is B minus A. You know this part is A intersection B, right? Okay, this you know. Now this A minus B we can also consider as A intersection B dash. Remember, B minus A we can also write as B intersection A dash. Both are equal. Okay. Now what they given? A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash is this part, that is 5. Next B intersection A dash, that is 6. That is this part. And A intersection B is 4. Okay. Now they are asking union. Union means what? Combination of 3. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay. So like that you can find, right? Or else by using formulas also you can find. This is by using Venn diagram. This is the easiest method. Or else through formulas. Through formulas means N of A intersection B dash given 5. But N of A intersection B dash. How to get this part? How to get this part is N of A minus N of A intersection B, right, is equal to 5. Then what is N of A? 5 plus A intersection B. 5 plus A intersection B. But what is A intersection B given? 4. That means this part is 9. 5 plus 4 9, right? So N of A will get. Similarly by using this N of B intersection A dash is equal to 6 given. That means N of B minus N of A intersection B is equal to 6. That means N of B is equal to what? 6 plus N of A intersection B. A intersection B 4. So which is equal to 10. 6 plus 4 10. So by using this formula, A union B means N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. 9 plus 10 19. 19 minus 4 15. So like this also you can find by using formula or else through Venn diagram you can find. Next, let N of A minus B is equal to 25 plus X. N of B minus A is 2X. N of A intersection B is 2X. Then condition given, find the value of X. Okay. So one more time I will draw the Venn diagram. N of A minus B is this part 25 plus X. N of B minus A is this part 2X. And N of A intersection B is 2X, this part. Now they given condition that N of A, what is N of A? These two, right? N of A is combination of this and this. What is N of A? N of A is equal to 2 times of N of B given. N of A means what? 25 plus X plus 2X. Okay, here the combination N of A is equal to 2 times of N of B. What is N of B? 2X plus 2X. Okay, nothing but this is 25 plus X plus 2X is 3X is equal to 2. This is 4X. 4 times of 2 is 8X. Now it is 25 is equal to 8X minus 3X is 5X. Then automatically X is equal to 5. Okay, so X is equal to 5. Then only this will be satisfied. So understand N of A means N of A minus B plus also intersection. N of B means N of B minus A plus and also intersection. And you use this condition, you will get that answer. Okay. Next question number 12. We will move to next page. Okay. Of the members of 3 athletic teams in a school, 21 are in cricket team, 21 are in hockey team, 21 are in football team. Okay. So I will mention those as N of C is equal to 21, N of H is equal to 26 hockey team, and football team is N of F is equal to 29. Now they are asking among them 14 play hockey and cricket. Hockey and cricket intersection 14, and then n of 15 play hockey and football. H intersection F is 15. Next, and 12 play football and cricket. N of F intersection C is equal to 12. And 8 play all the three. Andre N of C intersection H intersection T is 8 given. Okay. Now total number of members in the athletic teams. So formula we are having. So to find total, that is N of C union H union F, okay, football, is equal to, formula is N of C plus N of H plus N of T minus, okay. So first you have to add these three, minus you have to subtract these three, minus N of C intersection H minus N of H intersection F minus N of F intersection C. You have to subtract these two, and again you have to add this N of C intersection H intersection T. Okay, so first add this and subtract this, and again add this one. So first 21 plus 26 is 47, 47 plus 29, and this is 76, 76 minus 14 is 62, 62 minus 12 is 50, 50 minus 15 is 40. So you substitute the values and simplify. That is 21 plus 26 plus 29 minus 14 minus 15 minus 12 plus 8. Okay, so this is 76 minus 14 minus 12. This is a combination of 14 and 12 is 26, 26 and 36, 5, 41. Okay, 41 plus this is 8. So total you will get, the answer is 53. Okay. Next, if sets A and B have 3 and 6 elements each, okay, sets A and B have sets A and B have 3 and 6 elements each, okay, that means N of A is equal to 3, N of B is equal to 6. Then they are asking minimum number of elements in A union B. See guys, we have some shortcuts for minimum and maximum of A union B, A intersection B, like that. Okay. See, first I will describe about A union B and then A intersection B. If they ask maximum of A union B, if they ask, then answer is N of A plus N of B, maximum of N of A union B. Or else if they ask minimum of N of A union B, minimum means then it will be maximum of N of A or N of B. That means in these two, which one is maximum, that we have to consider when in minimum case. Okay. Similarly, in A intersection B case, maximum of N of A intersection B, maximum of N of A intersection B is minimum of N of A or N of B. ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ minimum of n of A intersection B, minimum of n of A intersection B is always empty set, nothing but here 0. When we will get minimum means if those two are disjoint set, then we will get minimum. Okay, so these are the 4 formulas you have to remember, guys. Okay, you can pause the video and you can note down all this, so this will be very helpful for you further. Now they are asking minimum number of elements in A and B. Minimum, this is minimum they are asking. Minimum means what? Maximum of N of A or N of B. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು maximum ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು answer. So this is the maximum. So answer is 6. Okay. So remember these shortcuts and directly you can simplify. Next, if N of U is equal to 60, N of A is equal to 21, N of B is equal to 43, then greatest value of N of A and B and the least value of N of A and B. See here, I have told that least value of N of A and B, nothing but minimum of N of A and B means what? Maximum of N of A or N of B. I am telling second answer. Second answer is maximum of N of A or N of B. N of A given 21, N of B given 43. See ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ maximum ಏನು N of B. So second answer is 43. Where we are having second answer, that is 43 is option A. Now when come to greatest value, what I told greatest is maximum. Maximum of N of A and B, what I told N of A plus N of B. That means if we add 21 and 43, what we are getting is 64. 4 we are getting, but n of u is only 60. It cannot be more than n of u, right? It cannot be more than n of u. So that's why whatever will be the n of u, that will be the answer, that is 60. Okay. So like this you have to identify greatest value, least value, maximum value and then minimum values. Okay. Next we will move to question number 15. Question number 15. If capital A is equal to 1, 3, 5 so on up to 17, capital B is 2, 4, 6 so on up to 18. Now they are asking, and n is the universal set. Okay, n means universal set. Then they given this equation, that is A dash union A union B intersection B dash. Okay, this one. Now we need to simplify this. Okay, so there will be two ways. That way is simplifying this one, or else by using given set. So by using both the ways we can simplify. First I will tell this one by using Venn diagrams, guys. Okay, so it will be very easy for you. Okay. So let it be, this is set A and this is set B. First we have to simplify these brackets. Now first B dash means what? B dash means except B. Okay, B dash means except B. Except B means remaining every part will get. Okay, except B, remaining every part will get, right? Except B, remaining every part. Okay, now that intersection with A union B. So A union B means what? This one. Okay, nothing but combination of these two is A union B. Okay, so this is A union B. Now intersection means what? Only combination we have to take. So what is the combination of B dash, horizontal and vertical? This part. Okay, so you are observing that combination of those two we got this part, right? So this is the part we got. What is this part? Is A union B intersection B dash, right? So B dash means except B, A union B means this vertical lines, intersection means combination of those two we got this one. Now what they are doing, union A dash, union with what? A dash. A dash means what? Except A, except A remaining, that means combination of A dash and this part we are getting. Okay, so this is A union B intersection B dash, so this part also. Okay, so combination of both what we are getting is n, nothing but universal set we are getting. This is through Venn diagram. Okay, and next we move to question number 16. Okay, this will be enough while using Venn diagrams. Okay, so actually A union B intersection B dash will get A part, A dash union A part is always natural number. Okay, next match the following sets for all A B C. Okay, match the following ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ so which are similar options, which are different, like that we can observe. If you observe that second part, so this is always everything is telling like C. Okay, so now no need to find this one, it's a waste of time. Why? Because every option is telling C, and then option 4 is telling like everything is D except B, right? Okay, except B. So we should not go for these two options. So first we have to go for first and second. So based on this it will vary. Similarly this is also telling like everything is B except D. Okay, so first we will go with first option. Okay, A dash union B dash minus A whole dash. Okay, so first of all A minus B, how we can write? In previous problems I told A minus B we can write as A intersection B dash. Okay, minus ಇದಾಗ A intersection ಆಗುತ್ತೆ B dash ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now we have to observe, apply here also. First of all the given is A dash union B dash minus A whole dash given. First I will simplify this according to De Morgan's law, that is A intersection B whole dash. See first one only observe, A dash union B dash we can write it as A intersection B whole dash according to De Morgan's law, minus A whole dash. Okay, now this is in the form of A minus B. A minus B, how we can write? A intersection B dash. What is A intersection B whole dash? This we have to consider as A minus B means intersection B dash, nothing but A dash, again we have whole dash. So idu A minus B anta ankondidre A intersection B dash agutte. Now apply whole dash. So whole dash apply madidre this will be A intersection B, intersection will be converted as union, A dash will be converted as U. Okay, now we simplify this. This is very easy now. A intersection B union A, this is A and this is A intersection B. A intersection B union with A, this and this combined we will call it as A only. So that means option 1, first one is what? B. Okay, so first one is B, so that means fourth option is eliminated. And then so as fourth option is eliminated, then second one C automatically, and fourth one is D, so and automatically the option for third one is automatically it will be A, so it is option A. Okay, so first one ಒಂದು find out ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ according to the options we can go, right? Next question number 70. See guys, so lighting was little better. Okay, question number 70. If S is equal to, for all x such that x is a positive multiple of 3 less than 100. Positive multiple of 3 means like see, I will write first of all. Positive multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, so on. But less than 100 given. Less than 100 means up to where it will be there? Up to 99 will be there. But they are asking about n of s, andre number of elements. Like this multiples, how many number of elements will be there up to 99? That means we have to divide with 3. That is 33. 33 numbers will be there which are positive multiples of 3 less than 100. Okay, next, what is P? P is nothing but x is a prime number less than 20. Less than 20, what are the prime numbers actually? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and then 19. So how many are there? N of P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 33 plus 8 and the answer is 41. Okay, they given two sets and they are asking number of elements of first set plus second set. Okay, next we move to next question. Let P is equal to theta such that, andre now theta angle find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Theta such that sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta, so on. Q is equal to theta such that sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 sin theta. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Based on that theta, so what can be that options we have to identify. Okay, so first capital PL ಏನಿದೆ, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. So ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the value of theta. So cos theta I will send right side, it will become sin theta is equal to, this is actually we are having root 2 cos theta, minus cos theta will become plus cos theta. Now it will be sin theta is equal to, if we take cos theta common, what will get? Root 2 plus 1. So cos theta you send to left hand side, sin by cos is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Root 2 plus 1. So I have to remember tan theta is equal to root 2 plus 1, that theta is equal to 67.5 degrees. That nothing but tan 67.5 degrees is root 2 plus 1. Okay, so first one we got 67.5 degrees. Next, second equation is what? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, now which one we have to send? Cos or sin? Sin. Okay, in order to get simplification. Okay, so this is sin theta, you send that side. Cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta minus sin theta. Now cos theta is equal to, so what happens here? If you take sin theta common, so you will get root 2 minus 1. So sin you bring here, it will be cos by sin will become cot theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. So when it is root 2 minus 1, you do reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal means tan theta is equal to what? 1 by root 2 minus 1. Reciprocal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But when you do rationalize, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So what we will get is root 2 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Nothing but again we are get root 2 plus 1. Nothing but here also root 2 plus 1. Here also root 2 plus 1. Okay, tan theta is equal to root 2 plus 1. That means both we are getting same now. So here also you will get theta equal to 67.5 degrees. That means what you can understand, both the angles are equal. Nothing but P is equal to Q. Okay, so you have to remember these type of values like 67.5 degrees, 22.5 degrees. Okay, like that, at least those. Next question, question number 19. A college awarded 38 medals in football, or else if you don't know the angle also, see guys, if you don't know the angle also, tan theta we got root 2 plus 1 na. Here also we got tan theta equal to root 2 plus 1 na. That means both are equal. Okay. Next, a college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and so on like that. See, and the question is, see all of you. A college awarded 38 medals in football, nothing but n of f is equal to 38, okay, and then n of b is equal to 15. Next, n of c is equal to 20. Cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men, total means n of f union b union c is equal to 58. Total of 58 men, and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports. 3 men means f intersection b intersection c is equal to 3. Okay. Now they are asking how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. Exactly 2. So first now Venn diagrams all substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we have to substitute that intersection part, most important intersection part. So that is 3 they given. 3 men got all the 3 sports, all got medals in all 3 sports. First we have to substitute this. Now what they are asking is exactly 2 of 3 sports. So if first intersection part identify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so this is like football, and this is basketball and cricket. So this part is football and basketball, but in this part we are also having cricket. We don't know this. We need exactly 2 of 3 sports andre these are the parts A, B and then C. ಈ 3 parts ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. Okay. Now how to find these 3 parts is by using this formula n of f union b union c. Right? See, I will tell you how to simplify this. I will use another page here. Yes. See here carefully. So based on this question, I will simplify. N of f union b union c by using this formula. N of f union b union c formula is n of f, you know, no? Okay, n of f plus n of b plus n of c minus intersections. N of f intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of f intersection c. Add 3 and subtract these 3 plus n of f intersection b intersection c. Okay. Now substitute the values. F union b union c given 58 is equal to, these 3 add 38 plus 15 plus 20 minus ಈ 3 subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is this part? F intersection b means this part. What is this part is a plus 3, right? ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ f intersection b, a plus 3 minus b intersection c. B intersection c is c plus 3 minus f intersection c is b plus 3 plus n of f intersection b intersection c, that is 3. Okay. So it is 58 is equal to 38 plus 15, how much? This is a 48 and 5 the 53 plus 20 is 73. This will be minus a minus 3 minus c minus 3 minus b minus 3 and then plus 3. ಈ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next it is 58 is equal to 73 minus 3 is 70 minus 3 67. Okay, 67 minus of a plus b plus c. ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ a plus b plus c ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, now a plus b plus c have to send that side. A plus b plus c is equal to, okay, is equal to 67 minus 58. Now you can search the options. The answer is 9. Okay, so option A. So like this you have to search, guys. So they are asking exactly 2 of 3 sports means this part and this part is exactly 2 of the 3 sports. If you observe this part, this is exactly 1. Okay, exactly 1 part there. If they ask exactly 1, but they are asking exactly 2. Exactly 2 means a b c parts. How to find a b c is by using this form. Okay, very important, so remember this. Next we'll move to question number 20. So last 2 questions of this session, guys. Please make a note of these questions, very important for board point of view and also CET point of view also. Okay, the question is, in a survey of 60 people it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. Okay, so n of H is 25 and then n of I is 26 and n of T is also 26. I am writing the given data first. 9 read both H and I. So H and I is 9. Next n of H and T. H intersection T is 11. Next 8 read both T and I. T intersection I is 8. Now 3 read all 3. All 3 means H intersection T intersection I is 3. Now I will tell you simple method. In order to simplify this, what we need to find is the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. I will tell you through Venn diagram. Okay, through Venn diagram I will tell. See guys. So let it be, we are having 3 newspapers. One is H, another one is I, another one is T. Hit. Okay, H, I, T. 3 newspapers we are having. So when we want to substitute that in terms of Venn diagram, first number we have to substitute is intersection of all. That is 3. Next we should not go for this. We have to go for this intersection. First all intersection. Next 2 intersections. First H and I. H and I, how much they given? 9. We should not write 9 here. Why? Because H and I means this part, including this 3. This is H and I. Already 3 is there now. That means it will become 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, understood? Next, H intersection T. H intersection T means this part. So what is this part? They given 11. Already 3 is there. That means this will be 8. Okay. Next, T intersection I. This is T and this is I. This part. They given 8. Already 3 is there. That means it is 5. Okay, got it? Now, what is n of H? N of H. That means first circle is 25 given. So already these 3 are there. What are these? 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Okay. So 25 minus 17. So it is 8. So that means this is 8. Okay. Next, this one 26. But already we are having we are having 26. But already we are having 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So 26 minus 14 is 12. This is 12. Next, T part. Okay. In this part we have 26. But here already we are having 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 26 minus 16 is, this part is 10. Now we need to find who read exactly 1. In previous question I said exactly 1 means what? Okay, exactly 1 means, see, exactly 1 means this part and this part and again this part. So this is exactly 1 part. So now we can add this 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 10 is option A. It is 30. Okay, exactly 1 means E part aste, only H, only I, only T. Exactly 2 andre 6, 8, 5. 3 andre idu ee tara. Okay, now we will move to last question of this session. That is, in a survey it was found that 21 people liked product A. See guys, this question you can solve based on this Venn diagram. Okay, how we have simplified one by one, like that you can simplify this also. So I will draw the circles first. So with respect to me along, you can also tell how to find this. So first I will write those values. The n of A, who like product A. So this is, let it be A, B, C. N of A I am writing 21. N of B 26 according to given values. N of C is 29. Next, n of both A and B is 14. A intersection B is 14. So n of B intersection C is 14. N of A intersection C is 12 given, and 8 like all. N of A intersection B intersection C is 8. Okay. Now as I said, how to substitute those values? First intersection part we need to substitute, that is 8. Next, one by one we have to substitute. Okay. So but what they are asking is how many like product C only. Product C only means this part guys. Product C means only this part. Only this part. Now how to find this part is, so instead of substituting remaining A and B, we will focus on only this circle. That is, what is this? A intersection C. What is A intersection C? 12. But already 8 is there now, so it will be 4. Next, this part is B intersection C. That is 14. Already 8 is there now, that means this is 6. Now as we need only C, so only C formula is, okay, you can also note down that only C formula is n of C. That means in this total circle what we need to delete is A intersection C minus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. you may get the doubt that why we are adding this. Why? Because A intersection C also we are deleting 8, B intersection C also we are deleting 8, 2 times we are deleting 8, so that's why we have to add 1 time. Now with respect to that figure, how to find n of C given 29, right? 29. In the 29 already these are there. What are they? 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18. So 29 ಅಲ್ಲಿ already 18 ಇದೆ. So 9 minus 1 this is 1, 2 minus 1 this is 1. So answer is option C, guys. Okay, these are some of the level 2 questions. Okay, you can solve before those KCET and also JEE mains. So please subscribe my channel if you did not done it, and share to your friends. So because in our friends group everyone should develop and everyone should get good colleges. Okay, and then please watch all my videos of level 1 and level 2 of all the chapters. Thank you once again. Thank you.